Right, this one's a bit of a strange one. We've got a floor that's sinking. It's got like a Aga on it, big oven, and floor's just gone like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a few boards up near Aga, and we're going to use my jack, which is for the car, bottle jack, and we're going to try and bottle them up. Then I'll probably lay a couple of bricks underneath it, just to straighten the floor up best we can. It's 40 mil out. We're going to try and get it back to 20. We can't jack it up fully to the 40 and get it level because we've got stud walls and stuff on it. So if we shoved it up too far, it'd shove the ceiling up with the stud walls. So anyway, we'll do our best. See if we can get it any flatter and a lot less bouncy, because it's just like that, bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. So yeah, let's go have a look and crack on. It's got a concrete floor under it. A concrete floor under, so we should be able to jack off that, build a wall. So this is it, look. Look at that. Just pushing it down. So you see it gap under level as well, look. So it's just bowing like this, and then it's all going down like that as well.
Can you see it checking?
Yeah, I can see it checking. Behave. And then you can see where it's dropped on stud, look. So we're going to try and jack it up, but main thing's making it safe. But if we can jack it up level, because it drops from here to the 40 mil, so we're going to try and gain a bit as well. So I've got my bottle jack. This is from for lifting my pickup up with. It's too big on this one, don't fit under, but it fits under here, so that's where it's just all sagging, so it should work. So we should be able to jack up there. We'll put some wood in to odd it once we've jacked it, and then we'll build a wall underneath, and then we'll leave that wood in as well, because just to odd it while it walls off. So it's out all over, so it drops, so from this wall it drops 15 mil to there, and then same on the other side, you can see it drop, look, it's even more on the other side, 20 mil, and there's a wall here already odding it up. So if we jack it, we're going to have to check this wall and maybe pack it if it comes up too much, so we'll have to have a look at that as well. So we'll have to take them boards up, and then when we lift it, we'll see if it moves on this wall, so we're going to have to sprag that as well. Right. So we have just got these up, look, that's as well, look, and it's all touching underneath. So I'm thinking when we lift that, it's probably going to gap under there, so we've tucked them up so we can fill under there then. So I think we're going to start, probably going to start on this one here and then work that way. I don't know whether it's going to come up under them walls. We might be able to gain a 10 mil, hopefully. You see how far out it is, look. So we'll put jack under there and jack that first, see what crack is. Right, is it going to go up? Oh aye, that definitely went up, didn't it?
Yeah, lifting the whole floor, it's not just that.
Yeah, I know, but we're going to work our way along, aren't we? So
how much do you
just
need to?
keep going, see what it does. Keep going. Keep going. You know what?
Level.
Yeah, we're not far off at that, you know. Will it go again? Again? Still a bit high. Oh, that's gone up a lot. Right, we'll leave it at that. Wow, I can feel that's gone up. So here now, this way, we should have a massive drop now.
No, because now you've lifted up that one, right? Well, no.
Yeah, look
Look
so you
at
can
under.
see it drop. I know, and then that's how far we put it up, look. So it is working, so we can jack from here. We'll just work our way along then. I've just put some loose bricks under that for now, and then we'll get this one up. if this floor's level, I'll probably put 3 bricks under them all for now. And then like that, and then we'll go from there. You can see how far. Right, I don't go anymore, it's like cracking. See if this will take 3 bricks. Yeah. Get my pole. It's like a jack off.
Well, I went down a mile.
Yeah, I think I jacked it up too much though then.
No.
Oh yeah, it still needs to go up. Yeah. We'll get 3 bricks under them all and then we'll see what it looks like and then we can add to it, can't we? Right, I'm stuck on this one, the jack won't go under, so I'm going to have to try and wedge it up first.
And your answer to that, mate, is it doesn't work.
Well, when I get it thingy, right, you can use slide jack under while I put weight on here. A millimetre. Under. Good. That was a bit of a pain, wasn't it? Where's my screwdriver? Oh, get it this way. And tighten this up. Jack it while I'm on it now. Yeah.
Yeah, I just started.
Oh, you can see it's going up now, can't you? Right, we've got us blocks under to where we think we can only push that up that high because it sinks back down there. And then what we're doing is, see this gap here? I'm just going to jack that up to hopefully sort this gap out. There we go, and that levels all the way level, and we're not that far out now. I think that's best. We're going to get this, so I'll just put some under there. Right, there we go. Look, slightly out, but not a lot, and that's nice and no rocks on it. And now when we come back here, looks a lot leveler now. And it's solid already, so I'm going to build a wall under here. And this bit here, look, we've now got a gap. It's 20 mil that, so we're going to have to pack under each one of these now. So we've raised the floor. It was 40 mil from there to there over 3 meters, and now it's only 20 mil out, which is a lot better. And probably best we're going to get it, because I think I'm going to take a couple of boards up there because that bows, so we'll try and straighten that bit out. I think that's looking good. Let's get laser and have a look. So we'll see actually how far out we are. It's 10.5. It is 25, so yeah. 20 mil out now, so we've gained 20 mil. So when we mess about, Long this about, see if I get a bit better, and I'll let you know. Right, that's the. See how we've got wedges under there, look. Trim that off, and then what we'll do is we'll cement under these because there's quite a big gap now, look. So we've got them slightly wedged and then we'll cement most of it, and we've nailed these together as well. I'm just going to build some like brick pillars under these. Put about here and then. I'm going to put some damp under it. Bit of damp. Then, hopefully, it's a bit hard way out a normal troll, right? I've got my bucket trowel today. Squish it in. And I'm just going to leave it down a bit so I can get a bit of cement under these. I'll wedge them. I can cement it up. That's pretty much it. And I'll do all the rest same as that. It's going to be as simple as that. I'll squeeze all this under and then fill the holes in. And then what I'll do is I'll get a bit of timber, just passing up timber, because we've got cement under this gap. All I'll do is I'll get a bit of timber and then that'll go like that and wedge, you know what I mean? So that'll go like that, and then I'll put that onto the brick, nail it both sides and it can't move. So even if it squishes the cement out here, it still won't drop because there'll be another 2 pieces of wood on it down that side. That's the idea anyway. Just makes it a bit easier. That'll do too. So I just put these on then, squish them down to brick. Need some more nails, but that's what we're doing about. And then that'll add it onto there as well. Give it that bit of extra. Right, that's it. I didn't have to put them blocks of wood in, but I just did it. So we had some bit of wood spare. And then I've actually put damp on these. We're going to leave these in, you know, with wedges on, because if we take them out, that'll sink. So we're just going to cover it up, leave them in, it'll be fine, because I put damp in it, so it ain't going to go anywhere. And if they come slack, that's sodding it anyway. Just got to board it up. Oh yeah, all that's filled in as well underneath there. Tim's just putting boards down. Forgot to do it. They're all cemented in and chocked and cement. So that's all good. So none of it moves, which is great. Oh yeah, we also put this steel in as well. Opened it up a bit more and put that steel beam in as well. Right, that's it. Bit of a strange one, that one, wasn't it? We've got it right, so we can get he can get these kitchen fitted, and it shouldn't sink anymore. So yeah, bit of a weird job, that one, but yeah, went well. Anyway, if you like this, subscribe, give us a like, drop us a comment if you want, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.